Hey, hello friends. Today we see how to grow a gram as a leafy vegetable. And the task is quite simple. As shown in the video, moisten the soil in the grow bag. Then dig trenches 2 to 3 centimeters deep in that soil. Soak the gram for 4 to 5 hours so that sprouting will be faster. I have made this grow bag myself and it is 3 feet by 1 foot. Cover the gram with soil, otherwise birds will take away the gram you planted for their breakfast. Sprinkle water again to keep soil moist. See how cloudy the weather has become? Oh my god, it's look awesome! Look, gram sprouted in one day. It needs to be watered at least once a day. See how much growth has taken place in just 3 days. Watering should also be done carefully. Too much water can kill the plants. Look, our vegetable ready for harvest in just 6 days. I prefer to cut it because it will sprout again and I can harvest it again. Cutting is very easy. You can also cut as easily as shown in the video. Gram microgreen is rich in minerals, proteins and vitamins. That's all for today's episode. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.